Welcome back to Beat the Recession Marketing. I'm James Carley, and you're watching pillar number 5, video. Using video is very powerful and at the same time very personal. In this module, you're going to learn how to use video to enhance your campaign's voice, create social content, and generate a buzz around your business. So let's get started. This untapped love that people have for television has transferred over to online video. And if you thought watching television was a big deal, then these next video statistics that you're getting ready to see should really open your eyes to the influential power of video. We all know just how big the internet is, right? But did you know that as early as the end of this year, 80% of all internet traffic will be video? Now, I really want you to think about that. 80% of all internet traffic will be video. This is fantastic for businesses, especially since 48% of people who actually see a video ad take some form of positive action. Next, let's look at some additional case studies so we can really understand the power of video and what it can bring to a business. The first statistic we're going to look at is how businesses are seeing 55% visitor increase to their company website just from using video. The second statistic shows how 30% of businesses are seeing an increase in their actual store location. And the third statistic we want to look at is how businesses are seeing a 24% increase in their new purchases from using video. Now, during this module, I really want to try to get you to understand video just a little bit better so you can really understand how video, whether it's on TV or it's online, is really all about the story and the audience. But you may be asking yourself, what does this information mean for my business? This information means that online video, that if it's used correctly, it will increase 3 things. The first thing it will increase is your brand awareness. The second thing it will increase is drive online engagement, because remember, 80% of internet traffic are interacting with some form of video. The third thing it will increase is create viewer action. Like the statistic that we just heard about, we're seeing that majority of video ads cause some type of positive action and when the viewer's done actually perceiving the video. Now, taking advantage of this power that we find in video will lead to more inquiries and sales. But I want to teach you a few ways that you can use video to actually grow your audience and create a social microphone for your business. The first element inside our video pillar is targeted videos. Remember the module on understanding your market where we discovered questions and topics that your market actually wanted to know about? Well, this is where that information comes in handy. I want you to review each keyword or search phrase that made your list, and next you want to try to create a video for each term. There's 2 types of videos that you can make using the information from understanding your market. The first type of video you can make is personal videos. And personal videos are where people see you. The industry actually calls this talking head videos. The second type of video you can create are videos using PowerPoint, and a good example of that is what you're actually watching right now. In these videos, you want to make sure that you're covering things like general questions about your industry, maybe some fears that consumers are having regarding your product or service, FAQs, how-tos, or just any general problems that they are facing that they want to know solutions for. Providing real solutions to customers that are seeking this information will position your business as the market's top company because your competition, more than likely, isn't doing that. So you don't want to just always say, I'm the best. You want to give your customers valid proof that shows that you are the best. Inside these videos, you should cover topics like your promotions and other things of that nature that are simply based on the needs of the customer. You want to create targeted promotional messages that when your customer hear it, it directly identifies with your ideal customer. These messages, when they're heard by your customer, if you do this correctly, will create a "that's me" experience. And this is something we all have experienced from one time or another when we've heard a catchy slogan, a catchy song, an infomercial, something that we've seen where it immediately identified with you and you said, you know what, I have to get that. But the beauty of doing this with your videos and you creating them is that once you get it done, you can syndicate these videos and really broadcast them anywhere online. And I'm talking about places like your blog, where they can be used for creating more quality content that your customers really need and they really want. You can also post these videos to your social networks. Just remember to mix them in with your scheduled posts. You can use these videos to help drive customers back to your website or wherever else you want traffic for your special offers or any promotions that you may be offering, or if you just want to capture leads, they're great for using it for that. Another place you can use these videos are your emails. We just learned about the power of video email, right? And you can use these videos for newsletter updates or to add people to your subscriber list. What you really want to do is think out of the box and just have fun with it. My personal favorite is social media landing pages. When we talked about mobile, you learned how you can create these video landing pages, right? Well, these videos work great for getting likes and tweets and shares because they really go viral. And if you have a physical brick and mortar location, you could run in-store promotional videos, which are great to have playing as your foot traffic comes in and out of your business. Just really use your imagination and let it run wild. The second element we're going to be looking at is video testimonials. This video strategy creates an instant bond of trust between you and your customers. It's amazing how powerful this strategy really is. And you know what type of quality your company offers. You know that your company is the best, but consumers don't. So what's the better way to communicate that with customers than with video? And when it comes to sales, remember, people buy from people that they know, like, and trust. And using video this way satisfies all three of those stages in one single swoop. So at the end of the day, you have to remember, people buy from people, not hyped up salesmen and not catchy slogans. They're buying from somebody who actually has their best interests in mind. So remember to ask all of your new or previous customers if they would be willing to shoot a quick video for you that will show how much they like your business and why they even chose to do business with you. I want to paint a picture of exactly what this looks like. So let's say, for an example, I want you to imagine that you were in a grocery store in the cake aisle and you were looking at a box of cake with the picture of the cake on it. Now, what exactly sells that cake mix to you? It's the picture of the finished cake, right? Or is it the picture of the finished product? Well, symbolically, this is the same. Prospects can see the end result of buying your products or your services up front through customer testimonials. Now, this principle is why car dealers allow you to test drive cars so you can see yourself in the product. And when you're using this method, it is very cheap and cost effective to do. All you have to do is grab your iPhone, your Android, or some type of flip camera and make your own videos. And then take pictures of happy customers that do business with you and then post them online. You really want to show how many happy customers you have in your business when they buy from your products or your services. Okay, so let's recap on what we learned in pillar number 5, video. The first thing we learned about is how targeted videos can really engage customers and encourage them to take action. Also, we further discussed how we can syndicate these videos everywhere for ultimate exposure. The next thing we learned is how video testimonials can create an unbelievable bond with customers, helping customers establish the know, like, and trust factors, which are why people buy from you in the first place. So your homework from this module is to examine your current marketing plan and see if you have these two elements in place. If not, I want you to take a look at possible ways you can implement video into your business. The amount of social proof and brand awareness that videos can produce for your business is really limitless. After going through this module, I hope you're on fire from seeing the power of what video can do for your business. It's a great communication tool that you can use every day. I'm very proud of you for making it through this module. We have one more pillar left called offline. I'll see you in the next module.